Hi from the Bureau with a severe weather update where we've got a strong cold front bringing the coldest air of the year to parts of southeast Australia and likely heavy rainfall for parts of Tasmania on Friday. Having a look at the satellite, we can see that cold front moving across South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania with lots of southerly cold air coming up from the Southern Ocean in that speckledy white cloud. Now, wind observations, it hasn't been too windy associated with this front, with only a few stations getting above that 90 kilometres an hour in red, and rain observations, mostly on the order of less than 10 mils, getting above 10 to 24 and up above 25 millimetres in southwestern Tasmania. Now, having a look at the synoptics, we can see that that cold front on the computer models here is moving across the state quite rapidly in Victoria and parts of southern New South Wales. Now on Thursday, we will see a development of a low pressure system to the east of Bass Strait, and that'll swing back around onto Tasmania during the course of Friday. Now that's going to drive quite a bit of rain onto the state, as well as wind. So we could see very windy conditions around the coastal areas and into the Bass Strait and also parts of coastal Victoria. Now with that rainfall, we are looking at totals of around 50 to 100 millimetres. But keep in mind, there may be embedded thunderstorms within the low pressure system, which may bring even higher totals of rainfall, as well as the particular position of the low will dictate where the heaviest falls are. So we are anticipating there to be flood watches and potentially severe weather warnings issued for the heavy rainfall and damaging winds during the next 12 to 24 hours. Now, as we move forward in time, we can see that that low pressure system is churning away over Tassie, but then quickly makes an exit during Saturday evening with a cessation of most of the severe weather in the state there. Now, having a look back at the temperatures, we can see very cool conditions for Thursday morning with temperatures around that 14 to 15 mark for the capitals. And on Friday, dropping down to 13 to 14 degrees with that cooler air. And flipping over the minimums, very cold tomorrow morning in Melbourne, 6 degrees, 7 degrees for Hobart, 8 for Canberra, and then 0 degrees on Friday morning for Canberra, 7 for Melbourne, 8 for Hobart. And the snow, we'll have the coldest air over the southeast during Friday morning. We'll see snow levels drop to around 1,000 metres. You can see these snow areas depicted in the areas of pink there over the Snowies, the Alps and parts of the Central Plateau. And that's it from the Bureau. Keep up to date with the latest forecast in the mornings on our website, app and social media, and we'll catch you again next time.